Hello YouTube, today's an exciting day. I'm going to Virginia to see my daughter swim in a championship meet. What the? That doesn't mean you're gonna miss out on any of the fun. We're gonna pack you and take you with us. It's gonna be great. We're gonna have an awesome time. Hey! Well, I guess we're taking you along. Alright, into the bag you go. We're here. So we've arrived in Virginia. When we got here it was a balmy 74 degrees, which is kind of awesome. And I'm just trying to find out what the schedule of events is for tomorrow. And we grabbed something to eat. It's a pretty uninteresting but busy day. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the meet though. Hopefully Mina swims well. Hello fellow YouTubers. If you like what you've seen on my channel, please subscribe here. It goes a long way towards helping new viewers find my channel. Also, if you want to watch the last video I created, you can get that right here. And please leave me a comment. I love to interact with my viewers. Let me know how I'm doing.